Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to the Superman Windmill tutorial. Before to attempt this move, make sure to master a very solid and fast windmill and also few variations. If you haven't seen them, watch the previous windmill and windmill variations tutorial that I made. Links in the description. Before to start, if you need help with your power moves or your breaking, check out my Patreon, link in the description. And also, if you're interested, check out my merch, also link in the description. So this tutorial will be pretty short, because if you master already the windmill, a few variations that I already taught in the previous tutorials, this one will be pretty easy. I'm gonna teach you my way to do the Superman windmill, but there are different ways to do it. In my way, I spin clockwise and I use my left arm to push myself up in each round. But you can also try it with your right arm or with both arms like this. So basically, it's just like a normal windmill, but when you are on your back, in my case, in this windmill, I never put my head on the floor. So usually during the windmill, I stay with my head like this. But during the Superman windmill, I stay with my head up. And my head is never touching the floor. So from here, in my case, I use my left arm straight. I just put it like this. I turn and I push with my left hand on the floor. So from here, I push, and then from here, I push with my right shoulder like this, and I go to the windmill again like this. You can do the same also with your right arm. So from here, arm straight. The arms in this windmill are always straight. So you're not pushing like this, but your arm is straight all the time. Also the same if you do it with the right hand. You shouldn't lift yourself up kind of like a windmill to air flare or like this, but your arm should be straight already, like this, and push yourself up straight. If you do it with both hands, same thing. From here, put your arm straight and lift yourself up with both of your arms together. So it's not like doing a windmill to air flare or windmill to 90 where you push and you do like a push-up like this with your arms, or you bend a little bit and you push. But in the Superman windmill, your arms are straight. What to do with the other arm? You can put it like this. In my case, I put it down like this. You can do whatever you want actually. The most important thing is that you push with your torso like this. If you can already do the handcuff windmill or also the nutcracker windmill, you know how to push with your torso. So, in my opinion, you should know the basic windmill, the barrel windmill, and also the nutcracker or the handcuff windmill before attempting this move. During this windmill, it's better if you bounce your legs a little bit. So when you are on your back, head off the floor, since then you're gonna lift it up when you push. I recommend you to lift your head up all the time, to not bounce it on the floor, so it's not risky. So from here, bounce your legs. Bounce, put your arms straight and push. Bounce and push up with your legs. If you have any question, let me know in the comments down below. If you want me to help you with your power moves or with your breaking, check out my Patreon, link in the description. And if you're interested, check out my merch, also link in the description. See you next week with a new tutorial. Yo ninjas!